Hello everyone, welcome to the art tutorial channel of artist Azaru. In today's video, we are going to work on this beautiful artwork together. I will guide you through every step using simple and easy techniques. Whether you are a beginner or someone who just loves drawing, are able to follow these techniques without any difficulties. So grab your drawing materials, let's stop talking and start drawing. Step 1. Draw the grid lines. Before we begin, let's carefully draw the grid lines using the exact measurements shown in the video. Keep each line light and evenly spaced, as this will make it much easier to sketch the artwork accurately. Once your grid is completed, now we can begin our amazing artwork for today. Step 2. Erase the grid lines and darken the drawing. Once the basic drawing is completed, gently erase the grid lines, then darken your drawing to make the outline clearer and proper, followed by this video. Step 3. Add details and finalize the drawing. Now, it's time to refine the outline and add all important details and complete the final touches to finish our drawing of this video. If you enjoy drawing with me, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Artist Azaru and turn on notifications bell so you don't miss the next video. And join me as we complete all 100 anime character drawings, one character at a time. So, see you in the next challenge. Bye bye.